We all know and love the juicy goodness of an orange. But this sunshine-colored fruit holds more secrets than you might think. Today, we're diving deep into the world of oranges, uncovering surprising facts and hidden benefits that will make you appreciate this citrus superstar even more. Get ready to be amazed. From ancient origins to surprising science, we're about to squeeze every drop of fascinating orange knowledge out of this segment. Did you know the orange we know and love today isn't actually native to one place? It's a mashup of two other citrus fruits, the pomelo and the mandarin, that likely originated in Southeast Asia. Through trade routes and exploration, oranges embarked on a global adventure, becoming a prized possession in Europe and eventually finding their way to kitchens worldwide. Believe it or not, oranges were once considered a luxury item. Their rarity and long transport times made them a symbol of wealth and power. We all associate oranges with their vibrant orange color, but did you know that's not always the case? There's a whole rainbow of orange varieties out there. From the deep red of blood oranges to the blushing pink of Caracara oranges, these colorful variations offer unique flavor profiles and stunning visual appeal. The color variations come from different pigments present in the orange peel. These pigments not only affect the look, but can also influence the taste and nutritional value. Of course, we can't forget the most well-known secret of the orange. It's a powerhouse of vitamin C, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Did you know oranges are also loaded with fiber, potassium, and antioxidants? These nutrients contribute to a healthy immune system, aid digestion, and even promote healthy skin. And the secret doesn't stop at the flesh. The orange peel, often discarded, is a treasure trove in itself. The zest adds a burst of citrusy flavor to baked goods, while the peels themselves can be used for cleaning or creating a natural air freshener. The story of the orange doesn't end here. Scientists are constantly working to unlock new secrets and develop even better varieties. Did you know researchers are breeding oranges that are more resistant to diseases, have higher yields, or even contain additional health benefits? The future of the orange is also bright when it comes to sustainability. Farmers are adopting eco-friendly practices to reduce their environmental impact. So next time you peel an orange, remember, it's not just a delicious fruit. It's a global citizen with a fascinating history, a treasure trove of health benefits, and a bright future ahead. The next time you bite into an orange, take a moment to appreciate them.